do, my lovelies. Right, this is an old 70s steak knife that when I moved out my parents and into an house, my mum gave it me. We used to have it in caravan. If you're watching, Mum, do you remember it? And sorry, I probably didn't ask you if I could do this, but I put a piece of tape round the top of the blade. It's not really sharp anymore, so I put a piece of tape round top of the blade where I'd be holding it quite a bit, and that was so I could paint down, then remove the tape, and it'd leave a nice neat mark, so I didn't have to scratch any off the blade. And I gessoed it, and then I painted the outline of a cow. Because this knife, it's always in the silverware cutlery drainer on the side of the sink. We never put it away because I use it for something more or less every day. And some bozo, is that not too far away? Kept on putting it away. You know what it's like when you want to just grab something and it's not there. So I decided to do this so it would sort of remind us not to put it away. Yeah, you. Okay. Right. I painted it with white, as I say, gesso, and then I did an outline in black with a very fine brush. This is how long? It's over 2 years old, isn't it, this video? 2.5 years old since I did it. The photos are only took now, so the photos are 2.5 years of wear, if you will, on it. I painted it with neocolor 2s, activated with a bit of white. Here I'm doing a little bit of shading and activating that. It's just plain old pencil, but sort of it does activate a little bit. It's not water soluble, it's just a normal pencil. Sort of smudging it around with white paint. And then these are India inks. Just doing a bit of India ink on it. Filling in eye with, I think that's black, putting eyelashes on it and stuff. And then I go down the body of the knife. I've sort of put the cow's shoulder in, if you will. And then I just go down the body of the knife because it looked a bit plain with Frisian splodges. You know what I mean, you'll see what I mean. But we sort of forgot about this video. Well, we've got hundreds of videos like this in storage, and we sort of forgot about this ish for a bit, but since as I've been doing stuff for art round the house sort of thing, I thought, you know. Anyway, what I sealed it with, can you see that greenish mark? That happens straight away on the knife's rivets. I sealed it with triple thick, and I think triple thick isn't exactly water based, and I think it reacted with the old brass rivets in the knife handle, and it came up that, in fact I really like that green colour, but it came up instantly. And I suppose that I could have painted over it, and you know, but I quite like the green, so I just left it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope it gives you some ideas to do your own things, and thank you for watching. Thumb it up if you can, and share it if you will, please. See you all later. Bye.